Diane and Denmark here. Rah, rah, rah. I am in the car today, and why I'm in the car? Because I am going to pick up Sue, who is still working on her basement organisation. First up, I'm going to take a wee look and see has she decluttered anything since last time I was there. We're also going to measure up because she wanted to get some new items for organising the basement and her new sports room. We're going to take a wee trip to IKEA, so get your IKEA bags ready and get ready for a wee bit of fun. Okay, I haven't seen Sue for a couple of days, and this, look at all this. Is that's bits and bobs, not
handbags,
bags,
old
books,
sports bags,
DVDs. Gosh, you've been busy.
He's right there.
Well done.
Random screws.
Yeah, that's not your stuff. Wow, so a lot has gone, and that just shows you when you start putting like with like, it's so much easier to sort out the good stuff and let go of the overflow. Okay, and it's not just Sue's decluttering, because her husband, he is, I think, a type 4 in dressing your truth. He's very organised, super well organised. Look at this, for all his bits. Something he's put together. And, hold on, you need to see this as well. Look at all the screws and nails. Isn't that smart?
That was my
That's never going to look like that.
in England did that in his garage.
And you can see it's all Danish ones, and something we're just laughing about. Does anybody recognise these tins? It's from, what do you call it? Baby milk powder. We had the same, and they came in the different colours. Great for storage. I just have to show you this here. Look at this. It's all even names. Fireburst, a burst of fire blow. Yeah. Okay. Well, we'll let him get back to it. Okay. And what we're measuring up then? Because this is
thinking this is the sporty room.
Yep.
And these boxes need stuff off the floor.
Yeah, because sometimes you have a problem with
water.
Possibly,
okay.
Yeah.
So something similar, but then it's still, now I've also done this behind the door.
Oh wow! Look at that. Ready for the next Olympics.
Yeah. But in the winter, this is on, and I use it to dry my stuff.
Yeah.
So I hang my towel and my swimming stuff there. So
and your dry robes. Okay.
Yeah. And these I haven't worn for a year and a half because I swim skins.
Yeah, no, because we swim here without wetsuits, and Sue swims for a longer distance.
But we talked about having maybe a rack.
Yeah, because you got rid of the red shelving system. That's gone.
That's gone.
Yeah. Yeah, it wasn't really practical for anything. No. Okay.
But then something where I could hang the stuff up, because I've also got other winter things.
Yeah, and that's all your running, swimming.
That's only winter swimming. There's extra towels, paddle tennis.
Yeah, and then you can just kind of
upstairs,
when you're in here, you can just grab what you need from it. Yeah, okay. But the main thing
is that I come home and dump it rather than dumping it upstairs in places.
In the living room, yeah. It's your landing area.
Yeah, 25 years.
Yeah, so Sue's looking for new bins for here as well. Yeah. But we just, on the first session, we just kind of put like with like, and you've decluttered quite a bit, haven't you, since I was last here. Stuff is gone. Oh, look at that. Wow, yeah. And it's much easier to get in here now, and you've got all your kitchen appliances that you don't use so often, but it's easy to access. Yeah.
And that's all.
Oh, hold on. Where did these come from?
Oh, this was my son bought for his cupboard to tidy up, but they didn't fit. So then rather than him having to sell them again, I grabbed them. And bought them.
Those are good ones, yeah. Or were they like bedside cabinets?
Yeah, I think they're bedside cabinets. But I could also stack it if there was somewhere. But now I just put them there.
Yeah, great. Okay, and that's the things for the next clothes swap.
Yeah.
Oh, I should be having a look through that. Right, we're off to IKEA. And if you ever lose Sue in IKEA, you can always find her by her Mickey bag. There's Mickey. And this is actually the first time I've ever been to IKEA and never bought anything. So we're just looking for Sue's stuff today. Here we are. The epitome of Swedish food, köttbullar. We're in the kids section, and look at this beautiful rug. I'm so tempted to buy it, but I don't know where. I wouldn't put it anywhere. Maybe I'll put it in my when I redo my office. Woohoo! And we are done. Let's go, go, go. Follow Mickey. Right, there were quite a few things that they didn't have in stock in IKEA today, but here's what we ended up with. Sadly, no lids for these, but Sue will start transferring things, and we'll see how it looks in a couple of weeks' time. Okay, I'm back again for the after. And Sue's going to give us a quick look and see where we got to this time. But do you remember what this room looked like before? It was filled to the gunnels. You couldn't see the floor and everything was piled high, and Sue found it really difficult to find her stuff and to access it. So take it away.
There's now lots of room for my
Woo! Look at that.
space.
Yeah, floor. Oh my goodness, right down to there. What happened with the stuff that was in the corner? That's all gone.
Different places and chucked out.
Yeah, and
So-
that's the washing. This is the washing room, as you remember. So it's a working room for the washing. Yeah.
Party
Supplies.
area.
Yeah, because you're using that like regular basis.
Yeah. Celebration area.
And this is one that makes a noise, I remember, from one of your birthdays.
And
Yeah.
light up thing.
Yeah, and your
And then these are napkins, table mats, things like that.
everything
that
for
I use
entertaining.
often.
Yeah, great.
This is still cleaning products. Bags,
Yeah.
extra jam jars.
Oh yeah, I might be looking for this because I've been making plum jam. Yeah.
This still is organised, but needs
Yeah,
to
work
be
in progress.
empty a little
Listen,
bit,
we don't need to do you don't need to be decluttering the whole thing. Oh, and Christmas tree is now in here.
And now in there,
Yeah,
so
that's
all the
it.
Christmas tree area.
Ooh, gonna shop for Christmas here. Shop your house.
Christmas
Wow, I
there.
love all your jars. And that was your jars for making salads,
Salads, and
wasn't
that's
it? For
why they're
food prep.
there.
Yeah. Because you are good at doing your food prep in advance.
Halloween, Easter, outside, summer party.
Brilliant.
things,
Yeah.
cake decorating.
Look at, you've been back to IKEA.
Now they have the lids.
Yeah, the IKEA have been missing a lot of stock, but look at that. Sue, you are a pro, organising pro. Look at that. You can start your own cake company.
Yeah.
Brilliant. And up on the top we had things that Sue doesn't need to, photo albums and things, which are in order and arranged, and brilliant. What a brilliant job.
Boots. Even my son says, "Why do you have so many boots?" But you always
Well,
need
we've
them.
always got, we are 4 seasons here in Copenhagen, often in a day, so you always need your boots. You may swap those out with stuff for the next walk. You never know. Yeah, okay. Then let's go to the next room. And let's take a quick look back at Sue's yoga sporty room. It was just actually a dumping ground and no organisation whatsoever. Ooh, sporty.
Again, more.
Wow. Oh my goodness, you have been... Right, okay, so talk us through that stuff that's maybe going up and...
Thomas's Scott's decoration, So these I got from a fellow Link member.
That's our ladies club.
Yeah.
Actually, are you looking for more of those?
Yes.
Because I have from my daughter's room, I have the big unit. But we'll talk about that, because we're downsizing. Yeah.
And then I've been trying to get more of these from IKEA, but they're still out of stock.
Yeah.
But now I think I have enough.
Yeah.
Basically.
Because I actually have the bins in white plastic. If you wanted those, I can let you have those. Yeah.
Perfect.
If you want it more hidden, or
because these are just different ones, but
you're just using what you've got. Yeah. And remember here, we're not the types that go out and buy a whole lot of
boxes.
Yeah. Let me see that teddy box. There you go. Yeah, we're not the type that go out and buy new, so we use what we have. And I've got some white bins that will look fantastic there from my daughter's room.
And then this is sort of like, so there's winter swimming things, paddle tennis bags, and yoga stuff.
Because this is like when you come home, you come straight in here, and this is your dumping area
rather than the dining room table.
Yeah, I'm sure your husband's pleased about that. Oh, and look, one of the pictures is up.
Kate was very happy when she saw
and actually the last time when you saw the stuff falling down, I forgot to show you what the pictures were. And what was the story about your friend's dad? Somebody was...
Oh, friend's dad was one of the top darts players in England in the 80s, 90s.
Yeah, okay, because when those fell down, we kind of forgot the story. Right, anyway.
So this is, again, swimming stuff, which some of it will go up in the winter, but wetsuits.
Yeah, and as you'll remember, Sue does all the sports, all the competitions. She motivates everybody to challenges that they weren't really sure they wanted to do, but mermaid tails, so she has, this is her kind of work, and from a clothes swap, I think. Oh, it's yours. This is all her kind of work and swimming. I mean, she's also a swimming teacher and works with kids. So this is basically
what I use.
Your office. This is all being used. Yeah.
And these two boxes are Thomas's that need to be emptied. They're folders and things.
He'll get it. Yeah.
And then this was my kitchen area. Ideally, I was thinking of having like that whole countertop. Yeah. As a kitchen, but then now sporty stuff is there.
Yeah, it makes more sense to keep it out the way. Yeah, and it's all together. Great. And that's all your bits and bobs. Yeah. Cake tins and
now
bread machines.
Swapped recipes with Kelly, so now I have a recipe to use my bread.
And you know that you can also make jam in it, because that's where I make my plum jam. You don't need to stand over it, so I'll give you the recipe for that.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
That was there before, so that's all sort of organised now. Also,
things that you hardly ever, and they're kind of too big to go in a kind of regular cupboard, but nobody's getting bothered by them there. Great, fantastic. And the floor, I'm just going to say, because the floor, this is where you do your yoga, isn't it?
Yeah, that's our new toy. So.
Yeah, fantastic. Right, we've got even more stuff that Sue has decluttered, and all that's going to the next swap party. Oh, including the hunter boots. I'll need to have a... And I'm getting first dibs. Woohoo!
Yeah, they won't fit you, those boots.
I can try. I'll be like Cinderella. Moving boxes for our friend Kate, who got stuff, and more decluttered junk, and some stuff for the local charity shop, because Sue likes to support the local one, and also some books for the local book exchange. So well done, Sue. Rah, rah, rah.
Medals.
No, you're getting rid of your... Oh, I shouldn't be saying...
No, you asked me. I sorted out my medals.
Wow. So you've kept the ones that mean a lot, and a lot of... I mean, you really do so many races.
Just for showing up.
Yeah. Oh, maybe I should take them. Look at this. Henley. Oh my goodness. December Daily Dash. Well, we'll stay tuned for news about that. Yeah. Because I'm doing it this year. Oh my goodness, I don't know what I'm signed up for. Brilliant. Brilliant. And we're done. Clutter has left the building. Well, thanks once again to Sue for letting us into her space. And all we've got left to say is live long and prosper. May the Danish hygge be with you. Namaste. And I'll give you a rah 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 and a namaste. Did I do that right? No. Yes, you did. Rah, rah, rah. Okay, bye for now.